In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your subscriptions on Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where your subscription emails live, how to find them if they're not obvious, and how to tidy things up so your inbox feels lighter. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account on the official login page. Enter your username and password, and complete any two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. That extra step helps protect your account, so it's worth keeping turned on. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox. Now, look to the left side of the screen. That's your navigation panel, where Yahoo Mail groups your folders and smart views. Take a moment to scroll if you don't see everything at first glance. You're looking for a folder labeled Subscriptions. This folder automatically collects emails that typically pile up over time, like newsletters, store updates, special offers, and even some receipts. It's designed to save you from digging through your main inbox to find recurring messages. Go ahead and click the Subscriptions folder. You should now see those recurring emails gathered in one place, organized with the newest at the top. Skim the senders and subjects to get a quick sense of what's coming in regularly. This is a great spot to review what you actually read versus what you tend to ignore. If you don't see a subscriptions folder, don't worry. Use the search bar at the top of Yahoo Mail. Type keywords like subscription, newsletter, or receipt, then press enter. This search will surface messages that commonly fall into the subscription category, even if they aren't grouped in a dedicated folder on your account. Try a couple of different terms if your first search is too broad. Still not finding what you need? Check the Promotions folder in the left panel. Yahoo Mail sometimes routes marketing and deal-related messages there, separate from subscriptions. Open Promotions and scan for newsletters or recurring offers you recognize. Between subscriptions, search, and promotions, most of these emails are easy to corral. Finally, manage what you're getting. Open any email you no longer want and look for an unsubscribe option, usually near the top of the message or at the bottom in the fine print. Many senders include a clear link, and Yahoo may show a convenient unsubscribe prompt when available. Use it for the senders you don't need, and keep the ones you actually read. That's it, quick, clean, and organized.